Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be unboxing Mr. Punchies from Spirit Halloween. So this one I was not expecting to get at all, but I went to Spirit Halloween today and they had him. He was the last one left. So I decided to pick him up because I had a coupon. So I'm really excited to add him to my circus theme in my haunted house this year. He is standing 6.5 feet tall. And this is a new one. I've never seen one like this. I call it an animflatable because it's like half animatronic, half inflatable. Nothing too special about the box art, just generic Spirit Halloween box art. But yeah, let's get him open. That was easy. Face is going flat. I can get my finger in here. Ooh, wow. I don't know what this is, but I'll keep it because I don't know. It might go to something. And oh wow, he's cool. Alrighty. Oh, there goes the light. Just went off. That's okay though. What's accessible right now? The clothing first. This is clothing and the inflatable part. For his head, is that accessible right now? It is. Wait, actually, wait, hold on. Yes, it is. And wow, oh my gosh, look at that head. That is so cool. He has a half head, which is sort of odd, but I love the lights on him. He looks really cool. Oop. Like that. Has almost done it, so I'm gonna keep it there so I don't step on it anymore. Let's see what's accessible right now. Let's see here. That one. This looks like his shoulder piece. Yep, that's what that is. Is that here? Let's see. His adapter. This looks like. Instructions, very much needed for this one. I don't know what I'm doing. And the hands, one of them is sort of. There you go. Here's one of his hands, and wow, that is huge. Looks like maybe even bigger than Crouchy, if that's possible. Maybe even bigger than Crouchy's hands. This is huge. Very cool. Let's try to take out the whole module piece. I'm gonna have to do this with the camera over here somewhere because it is not going to, I can't do it one-handed. Okay, so I think that's good. I can't do it one-handed, so I'm gonna do it like this. The arm, one of the arms is in here too. Probably have to slide it out. I don't want to break anything. Alright, so let me show you what just came out right now. We have mechanism and the kaleidoscope, which is very cool. And now I'm trying to get the hip loop, everything out. And the funny thing is, I videoed the whole thing of getting this stuff out, and I watched the footage back, and I had the camera facing the wrong way, and I was filming myself. So that's pretty hilarious, and also kind of disappointing because I had really good footage. I thought I had really good footage of getting it out, but my stupid self, I filmed it the wrong way. But yes, it is very cool. So let me get all this stuff laid out, and I will show you what all of it looks like. So we have all the pieces set up here. So let's start on the left side. We have the 2 poles, and we have the adapter, and the 2 arms, one labeled K, one labeled J. The instructions, some zip ties and stuff, labeled B. The shoulder frame, labeled G. The clothing, and the inflatable part. Pretty cool. The head, which is the most important part. And the LEDs, I'm guessing, and the hip loop, hip loops labeled, can't tell what that is, F and H, it looks like, and then the telescope light labeled C, and the actual mechanism and frame labeled E, and the base labeled A. So those are all the parts that you should have. And I'm gonna have them all set up in the haunted house. So be right back. Thing I want to point out before the demo, these instructions are phenomenal. Like there's actually real pictures instead of just cartoon and drawings, so that actually tells me a lot of what to do. With the 6-foot scary clown from Lowe's, the pictures were just drawings, and I couldn't tell what anything was. So this is actually very, very helpful to have actually pictures of the actual steps. So that's very helpful. Alright, so here he is. He looks great. Very, very cool. The one concern that I do have with him is already right out of the box, one of his eyes is not working. This one right here is not lining up. Not a big deal for me, but you know, it's sort of concerning. He does look really cool though. And I got this step right up sign from Halloween City today to go with the clown theme in the garage, so that looks pretty cool. He does look pretty cool. I did put the arm on wrong, so it looked weird for like a few minutes, and then I figured it out. The Velcro did come off because I had to fix his arm, but he's actually a very cool prop, and I do like him. I highly recommend him. Very cool prop. But yeah, only the concern is his eyes aren't working, which is pretty disappointing, but other than that, he's a very nice prop. So I'm gonna get him plugged in, and I will show you guys the demo. I guess I'm excited to go, to be honest. No. Let me see what this is really.
Round and round I go. Where I stop, soon you'll know. I have a secret. Come closer and I'll tell you. Closer.
Yeah, there was his demo. He is a very nice prop. Very big. Not as big as I thought, but he's very cool. I did put 30 pounds of weight in his base. They do recommend around no less than 24 pounds. I did put 30, so he is really good. So I shouldn't have any problems with him falling over or anything. But yeah, that was his demo. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.